Okay friends, so today I'm going to be unboxing and installing this progressive lighting. This is from Home Depot, but I think it might have something like this similar from Amazon, so yeah, I'm going to have some trouble with those, I can tell. So I'm putting up a new Vanity light, and these look kind of cool, so now, looking at the pictures, it's showing the lights are up, and the other ones are showing they're down. So we're gonna figure this one out. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay, some styrofoam there. Appears to be well protected. Okay, and these, where's my knife? Again, apparently I'm going to need that multiple times here. Okay, so in here we have, I believe, it's going to be our light bulbs. Glass covers here. Those. That's what they are. Nice little glass covers. Oh, that was cool. Didn't break though, so we're good. Open the rest of these. I'm just gonna set these aside. So this is a 4-light switch one, or a 4-light one. It's kind of an older bronze look to it, so like a vintage type thing. Kind of looks cool. This is just regular glass. I thought they were. I'll show you one of these. So they have like the bubbles in them. Looks kind of cool. So, let's put those aside as well. Jab saw is gnarly. Cuts through sheetrock like butter. Okay, so what do we have here? We have our installation bracket with some screws and wire covers. Okay, and here we have nothing. Alright, so here comes with these vintage bulbs, I believe. Alright. So let's see if we can get a look at those. Kind of old time looking ones. I might just put LEDs in here. I'm not sure. We'll see. But it comes with 4 of those also. Make sure they're all good. There's 2. Oops, on the wrong side there. Just want to make sure my glass isn't broken here. There's 3. And should be number 4 here. Dun, 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 dun. There we go, there's 4. So all my glass is intact and ready to go. Here we have the device. I'm not seeing any instructions yet, but maybe we don't need them, huh? Alright, so here is the fixture itself. So that looks kind of cool. It's kind of like a bronzish. A little bit of a, no, okay, that's alright. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be with these, hanging down, or them up. Or either way is fine, because the picture with the writing on the box, and if I follow with the writing is right side up, then that would be pointing up. And the other picture, I believe, let's see, this one right here has them pointing down. So, I'm a little confused. Maybe some instructions will clarify. Well, I haven't seen any instructions. And, mayhaps there are no instructions. That's interesting. Oh, in here was the instructions in the little bag. Alright. So that is the unboxing. Let's just go right to the install. I'm trying to get this one busted out here. Maybe the instructions will tell us how to install this. Or is it right side up? So that's what it's looking like, is these are right side up. Or the lights are up. I kind of like the hanging light myself. But if that's the way it's supposed to go, that's the way we're going to put it in. Okay, so that's the unboxing, and I'm just going to go ahead and install this bad boy, alright? Alright, so I'm going to get my ground, go ahead and screw that in right here. Alright, so ground is there. Now we have our faceplate we're going to put on there. Make sure you check your wires that you're good to go. Alright, so this goes on here. I don't know why that's not flush there. It's kind of annoying to me, actually. Just put that in. It should be nice and flat. Anyways, let's screw that on there. That's going to be our ground, right? So, we have our ground wire here also. Okay, I wish I had like something to hold this up while I'm doing the wiring here. That would be nice. So I need to put my ground around there, actually. I want to make a loop with my ground. I'll be right back here, 1 second. Alright, so I made a loop. Please don't fall down the sink. Okay, I guess I should pull my sink up there. I just made a loop with the wire and spun it around, and that's what I'm going to screw into there. Okay, so get my screw, my ground screw, into that, and that's going to screw right into that hole that we had there, hopefully. Oh, why am I doing this left-handed? Okay, I'm going to trust this to hold my... Ooh. Is that even in? I'm not sure if it's even screwed in. No, it's not screwed in. Okay, so I need to screw that in there somehow. That'd be great. Oh, the joys of working by yourself. Please don't fall. Okay. Why does it seem like it's not actually screwed into anything? Okay, so whatever, it's holding for now, so I'm good with that. I think I'm going to screw this into that with these screws here. Attach that. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Now it's not going anywhere. And we'll screw that in at the top as well.